Welcome back. Now the news from sports. The All India Interzonal Bodybuilding Championship will be held in Madgaon from September 24th to 25th. The championship will be organized by the Muscle Men's Bodybuilding Association of Goa under the aegis of the Indian Bodybuilders Federation.
IBBF's Associate Secretary Chetan Pathare addressed the press in Verna on Saturday evening alongside IBBF General Secretary Premchand Degra, MBBA Vice President Narendra Vaigankar, Secretary Vinayak Naik and other members. Pathare gave details about the two-day championship.
Indian Bodybuilders Federations have been conducting many championships all over India in various states. For the first time we are conducting such a big championship in Goa. It is the Interzonal Bodybuilding Championship, where from each zone we are inviting 25 best topmost bodybuilders of our nation. Altogether 100 bodybuilders would participate for this championship, and altogether the prize money is 3,50,000 rupees, which will be cash awards, which will be distributed among these winners. Aspect of this championship is that we are conducting selection trial for our World Championship. The World Championship is on 18th and 19th November at Las Vegas, USA. So definitely all the bodybuilders will have to represent here, participate here, if they want to get selected for the international championship.
The IBBF will also be launching the India Women's Fitness Federation under their banner to promote fitness among Indian women.
Indian Women's Fitness Federation now we are launching in India under our federation, and we want to promote wellness and fitness amongst the women, females of our nation, because I feel that everybody knows that it is our need of today. People, the female or the women are not aware of what the fitness is, and we want to promote them in the root level. And we have got 24 state units with us, and all the district units are also affiliated to the state units. So we want to really take down this to the root level.
A reporter from Verna, Ramesh Naik Raut.
Anurag Mambal and Gauri Hadkonkar won the state sub-junior chess tournament held at Kurka on Sunday. The tournament was organized by the Bambuli Chess Association in collaboration with the Goa Chess Association.
Talented chess player Anurag Mamal took the top spot in the boys category. Anurag gathered 6.5 points from the 7 rounds. The former National B champion dropped only half a point after winning 6 rounds and drawing just one against second-placed Neeraj Saripalli. Neeraj scored 5.5 points, while Pranav Zantiye occupied the third place with 5 points. In the girls category, Gauri Hadkonkar maintained a 100% record to claim the title. The only ELO-rated player in the girls category won all the 5 rounds. Urvi Bandekar followed her closely on the second spot with 4 points. Aishwarya Torat also scored 4 points, but a weaker progressive record compelled her to stick to the third position. Goa Chess Association President Ashish Keni was the chief guest and gave away the prizes to the winners. Our sports reporter from Kurka, Patterson Fernandes, with video journalist Anil Sanadi.
All love to see fish in their natural habitat, but not everyone has that opportunity. Aquariums are a great place to take kids and introduce them to the wonders of our oceans, to teach the importance of conservation and environmental responsibility. Have a look at the Vancouver Aquarium and have a wonderful time. Take care and goodbye.